Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Google Pixel 9 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, swipe up the screen and open Settings application. Now we choose Network and Internet and there scroll and look for our SIMs. We tap on our SIM card and there data warming and limit. In the first step, you can set when our session start, maybe first day of each month. There we can turn on and turn off by the switch data warming and we can set in a custom number. In gigabytes, megabytes, what you need. Maybe we set 10 gigabytes. And there, in the same style, we can turn on set data limit, count by OK, and we can set it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.